for A1C. It was almost 10. It was 9.9. And now my A1C is down to 6.8 and going down. My weight was about almost 180. I'm able to get it down to just this past Monday, it was 159.0. My family doctor, of course, was very concerned, and he immediately said, you should be on medication. And later, my dietitian said the same thing, and my Tai Chi teacher. I had tried all sorts of other things, like high protein, low carb diet, and was able to lower it a little bit. But finally, I decided on the Mastering Diabetes program. As I mentioned before, I was on a high protein, low carb diet before, but it was not a vegetarian diet. We were eating a lot of fish, a lot of salmon, a little bit of red meat, lamb, occasionally some steak. The Mastering Diabetes diet is a vegetarian diet, mainly beans, lentils, chickpeas, vegetables. And so it was a drastic change. But I think when you're faced with a decision of starting medication for your diabetes or trying to find a diet solution to it, because I was already exercising, I think, more than most people my age, then you're willing to try it as a last resort, because otherwise you're onto meds. And I've seen my family on meds, on medications. At first you think, well, I don't know if I can do it. And certainly there are people that struggle with it, because part of the Master Diabetes program is meeting with your coach in a Zoom meeting once a week with a bunch of other people, and you hear their struggles with it. But, I enjoy eating chili on occasion. And, it's a mixture of beans. You don't have to eat the same beans, and it includes lentils and millet. And if you want, you can buy a mixed beans already in a can, because I think some people also look at the convenience factor, like how much time is it going to take me to do all this cooking? Well, you can cook a whole bunch in your Instapot or in your pressure cooker and have it all week in, little containers. So you don't have to cook that much every day. And with my breakfast, it's beans, and I put blueberries in it, and I make enough sometimes for 2 days, so you don't have to be cooking every day. With the soups at lunchtime, I just cook a big pot, and it can last me several days. And some people, they continue to add things every day to it, so it's constantly available. And for people that are working, they can take some and heat it up at work. So for me, but I'm retired, but I'm still busy. I think it's doable. And when you see the results, I think you will be pleasantly surprised and want to continue. Besides the weight loss and the lowering of A1C and fasting glucose numbers, there are other benefits that you can enjoy from being on the Master Diabetes program. And since I have maintained some degree of physical fitness over the years, I am in my 70s now, and I still participate in a running group. On Saturdays, we're training for the Sunrun 10K, 10-kilometer race in a couple of weeks. And so being in my 70s, I'm one of the older runners in the group. The average age is about 40 years old, so about 30 years younger than me. And so since I've been on the Mastering Diabetes diet, it has been no problem keeping up with the 40-year-olds. And I'm usually at the head of the pack. I'm in the straight running group. And often we race during our training sessions or do hill work or do trail work. And yeah, sometimes the 40-year-olds can still beat me after a few seconds of racing with me. But they admitted to me the other day they're really sore the next day. And I told them, well, I'm not sore the next day. I don't have any strained muscles. So that's one of the benefits. You have a lot of energy, and I'm eating beans for breakfast though, and you're not sore afterwards. And certainly the weight loss will help you in running faster. So if you're looking for better athletic performance, I highly recommend the diet for mastering diabetes. In terms of my numbers for A1C, it was almost 10. It was 9.9. And now my A1C is down to 6.8 and going down. In terms of my fasting glucose, it was as high as 10.0. And now in my recent test, my fasting glucose is 5.9. My weight was about almost 180. I'm able to get it down to just this past Monday, it was 159.0. Certainly your digestion will be better. In the morning, you can go to the bathroom without any problem at all because it's a high fiber diet. And something I've noticed is that if you're off the diet, if you're tempted to like eat some French fries or have a burger or something, you will feel it almost immediately because you're eating clean now, and you will not feel as good reverting back to your old diet, even if it's on occasion when you're tempted. So my wife says my skin is better. As you get older, you get wrinkles, and I was really adamant I wasn't going to take the meds. And my doctor said, well, you can't control it with diet and exercise because you have a family history of diabetes. So I was searching. What else could I do? Was I following the right diet or not? And so that's when I saw the ads for mastering diabetes. And this was like my last resort to doing a diet. Hopefully it would work, and all the testimonies were very convincing. And it's not just a few people, but videotaped testimonials from many different people from different walks of life, type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, some that were still on medication but were able to reduce their medication, other people that had never been on medication that improve their numbers. So I thought this is a legitimate website, and I should, try it out, because what have I got to lose? If I don't, I'll have the constant pressure from my doctor and maybe eventually start taking the medication. And even with my friends that are taking medication, I ask them what their numbers are, and their numbers are not necessarily low either, like they're 7 or something like that. So I thought, wow, if I take the meds, my numbers still might not go down. So, and I think there are some people that are happy just taking medication for anything and not changing their diet, continuing to eat an unhealthy diet and thinking the medication will fix everything. And I don't think so. So that's why I took a chance on the Mastering Diabetes program, and I've been happy with that. It is never too late to change your lifestyle, to change your eating habits, your diet. It's never too late to improve your health, your physical condition, and, your future, like not just your physical outlook, but your mental outlook too.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes meal guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, We show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.